Welcome back. We created our project in the first scenario. We created our project, but now we need to run our application. Right now, to run your Flutter application, you need either connect a device to your laptop, and then you can run it on the device, or you can create a virtual device, and then you can run the application from there. So I will try and create a virtual device. Okay, you open your Android Studio. Okay, you have your Android Studio. Then when you're in your Android Studio, if you have some projects, you see these things there, or you just navigate to where you can find on your Android Studio. We call it AVD Manager. Okay, this is me trying to use an Android device. So AVD Manager. Okay, and then in your AVD Manager, if you have created a device before, you see this. Other than that, create new virtual device. Okay, and then you choose from any of the templates that are available. Okay, choose any of these ones that you have here, any of the devices that are available, and then you could just select one of them. So let me just say maybe I select this device, and then you have to download. If you don't have any of the Android versions available, you would have to download one of them. I have one available, so I'll just choose the R. Okay, then you set this up, give your device whatever name you need to give it, and then you finish that. Okay, and once you do that, will be a part of this thing that you have here, a list of devices, right? So what you do is that you run it by clicking on this. Okay, you launch the virtual device by clicking on this icon here, the one located here. And once the virtual device is up and running, you are able to now see or run your app on the device that is running app. Okay, so the device is up and running. You can see my device is now up and running. You have my device here. Okay, so device is here. I have and that for iOS as well, so you can see that device as well. So I have those two devices here. You have to find a way to get those devices started on your machine. Okay, and so I have all those devices running here, and then once I have them running this way, they are started. Now I'm in my project here. Okay, so first of all, last time I demonstrated that you are here. Okay, the project was created. The project was created in a folder called Flutter project. Okay, here. All right, and then the name of the project in that place was called my first, right? My first app. So we go inside the project. Okay, inside that project, you see, if you look through the files, you see before the app runs. Okay, it runs from this pubspec.yaml. So if your project where you are running the command doesn't have this here, you won't be able to run your project successfully. So inside the project you created, and then you can type flutter run. Okay, then once you do this, if you have more than one devices app or virtual devices or external devices connected, then Flutter will now give you the option to choose from any of these devices. Okay, remember we're able to run this Flutter run because we have Flutter set up in our environment. And then once we say Flutter run, we have, don't forget as well, remember we have again, let me point you back to this. Remember we have these two devices all running. This is an iOS simulated device, iPhone 13 Pro, and this we have an Android simulated device also running here as well. So we have devices. So if we have connected a physical device as well, that will also be available for the app to run on. But now these are the devices we have. So when we do Flutter run, it just compiles. Okay, and then it will bring up the list of those devices that are available for the code to run on it. So um, the device, you see, it says that multiple devices found because we have more than one device running available, right? So it now gives you the option to choose from which of the devices you want to run your application on. Okay, my Chrome browser is running, my Android simulator is running, my iPhone 13 Pro is also running. Okay, then you can choose where you want